Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to change your font style, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. From here just look for display option, tap on it, and here just scroll down and you will get font size and style. Just tap on it, and here just tap on font style, and here you will get different font. You can easily select which one you want, and I'm going to select Gothic bold. From here just tap on it and your font will be changed. If you want to get any more, you just have to tap on it, and here tap on font style, and here just tap on download fonts, and here you will get different fonts. As I'm going to download, let's see this one. From here just tap on this download icon and it will be download in your phone. You just have to wait for it downloading and installing, and after that just tap on it and then tap on apply, and here you can see your system's font has been successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change your font style in Samsung A36 or J56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.